Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady P's Inspired Home. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are one of my return subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for all your continued support. And today I am participating in the SpringTablescape Challenge 23. And this challenge is hosted by Creative Miss Me with Stephanie, and she has a co-host at home with Lisa. I will be leaving the link below in the description box of both of their channels, and also I will be leaving the playlist. Please go over to their channels after you have watched mine. And I thank you for watching, and I see you all on the next video. And if you would like to see what I have created, just keep watching.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for, possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure, I know and I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again.